to decide on what to take in next. Also, yeah. We will not be afraid. Wike should go and ask people in Delta states, exactly people, to have never lose battle. This is not, they said this is not an ethnic war. The thing is beyond that political crisis. After one a German became governor, they want to impeach another German to another man to be a governor. It has turned to ethnic war. Yeah.
Gross misconduct 5. Seizure of salaries, allowances, as well as funds standing to the credit of the legitimate Rivers State House of Assembly, contrary to Section 1213 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, and other extant laws.
Go to 6, please.
Gross misconduct 6. Seizure of salary of the clerk of Rivers State House of Assembly, Mr. Emeka Amadi. Gross misconduct 7. Refusal to implement provisions of the Constitution on financial autonomy of the Rivers State House of Assembly and the Rivers State Judiciary. 8. Withholding of funds meant for the running of Rivers State House of Assembly Service Commission and for stating a commission set up by Part 2AA of the 1999 Constitution as amended.
Conclusion.
Mr. Speaker, in conclusion, Mr. Speaker, we conclude by stating that the governor has shown that he is not prepared to govern Rivers State in line with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended, and his oath of office. The Supreme Court in suit number SC/CV/1174/2004 condemned his actions when he stated that the 8th respondent fear of impeachment by the Rivers State House of Assembly is no justification for his attack on the House of Assembly. The Constitution, the government of Rivers State, and the rule of law. Political disagreement cannot justify this attack and contempt for the rule of law by the governor of Rivers State or any person. What the 8th respondent has done is to destroy the government because of fear of being impeached. Mr. Speaker, this document is signed by the underlisted members of Rivers State House of Assembly, dated the 5th day of January 2026.
Any problem will come out for Rivers State, make an announcement na Wike. Ni Yoruba don't want them. Ni Yoruba don't report am to Tinubu president. Because at the system one cause problem for Rivers State. All these years, on they hear any shooting, any killing, any assassin, on they hear them. So in case any wahala, now Wike with the people, now Minister Wike with the people, because all these days peace be. So I use this opportunity to tell everybody, Ni Yoruba help us. Report more to president. Report more to vice president. Report more to Ababio. The man won't cause problem for Rivers State. He won't cause wahala. Before I go here, people done the assassin, hire killer, kidnapping. Anything will happen na Minister Wike. You know they bring that leg when him be governor, the leg when they use. You know they carry and come. You know when him be governor, him buy plenty people. Him vanish plenty people. Plenty people go prison with his name. Minister Wike, everybody know. He ain't get police people where they kill for him. He ain't get uniform people where they do dirty work for him. Then go come arrest. From there, the person don't lost, don't disappear. Minister Wike get all of them. He don't they bring the leg again. But the way when go Obibo those days, by Igbo people, carry Igbo people, kill finish for Igbo. He don't they bring the leg. Now the leg would they see for Rivers State. IG hear this matter. Director of DSS hear this matter. Chief of Army Staff, we hear them. The leg when Minister Wike don dey bring, they don dey go another way. We don't know leg when they carry come. That leg when they use the by people, when they be governor, when they use kidnap, when they use assassinate people with uniform people. He get so many uniform people when they use. I don't call their name here before. Every people know them. When they do dirty work for them, they're gonna tell them who. Abusu of Chorobi, now they talk who. The Kwikwi of the Seraph. They're gonna tell them. Now making you style. Go tell the king, Michael Eteketom, making no put himself for politics. Because if he say Eteketom, the king, they support Fubara, or in the Fubara side. Or if you say that they do a just something, now making you start tell her, remove yourself for politics, no do politics. But when you in the power, in the use a teketon. When in the power, a teketon the politics. When in the power, a teketon the wrong politics. Why you not tell this to other king? This message, why you not tell them other royal highness, other majesty them, other king, you not tell them, no let teketon, you say, make you no put politics. We know the leg where they carry come. And they report to federal government, and they report to Nigeria, and they report to Africa, and they report to UN, the world.
Breaking news, Rivers State House of Assembly has initiated an impeachment notice against the governor of Rivers State, Fubara. Let's get a reaction.
Yes, like you can see the video playing out already, the information within getting to us has been very, very, very serious one. Fubara has finally been impeached. That's the statement here, and there's so much crisis in Rivers State currently now. While Fubara has threatened any moment from now that Nigerians will be surprised what he is going to come up with. And before now, we saw Wike, the FCT minister, moving from one local government to another, trying to mobilize, another presence outside the recognized presence of APC in that state. Of course, Wike called this mobilization a rainbow mobilization, trying to declare a rainbow party, that comprises of PDP, APC, Labour Party, NNPP, all in one, and questioning the rationale behind his national politics is, something that many people are wondering what is going to be his fate likely. It looks like he had decided to work against Bola Ahmed Tinubu come 2027, and that is going, of course, going to declare, bring a lot of a crisis in Rivers State. What is happening in the government house currently now, in Rivers State government house, is not something anybody can be proud of.
Okay, I have a question. Who is the political leader of Rivers State? Is it Fubara or Wike?
Wike is a champion in, maybe in his own political party that he's trying to, he has declared already, he called it Rainbow Party, maybe he's the political leader of Rainbow Party. But officially, the national chairman of APC, the national secretary of APC, and publicity secretary have taken a stand questioning how Wike would want to become the leader of APC in Rivers State without being a member, one, and of course, without being the governor of Rivers State. They said that the governor of Rivers State is Tinubu Fubara, and he is the #1 APC leader.
On paper or in reality?
Of course, in reality, not on paper. But you can see that Wike is trying to fabricate the whole process at the end of the day, trying to mobilize his men. There is danger, but unfortunately, we don't know the whereabouts of Mr. President. We don't know where he is currently now. He was not able to address Nigerians on New Year. Up to this moment, we have not actually get the actual thing, what is actually going on concerning his absence. And if he was to be around, I don't think that the crisis in Rivers State would have gotten to this point where the entire assembly initiated and on the process declared the governor, elected governor, under APC, impeached. Yes, even though there were reports that the process is still going on. But on a clearer note, that impeachment process has been initiated. And Fubara has said it very clearly that he is going anywhere. And that he is going to mobilize if it becomes something that he's not going to take, that he won't have any option. Because there has been predictions that the forceful division of Nigeria will start from Rivers State. There have been a lot of prophecies about Rivers State. And remember, Rivers State is one of the major source of revenue to the federal government, in terms of oil production and some other things too, So Wike is actually struggling to, impose godfatherism, just like what we saw Bola Ahmed Tinubu do in Lagos. We want to replicate that in Rivers State, and so that he can be able to champion his political or presidential ambition.
Which is
he needed money, resources, and that has been the crisis. He needed money. A land that he's demanding 35% of all the resources of Rivers State to be able to allow Fubara to actually breathe.
What is the ambition of Wike?
The ambition is not far-fetched. It's a clear thing. He has stated it. That he is not going to leave Rivers State for anybody. He's not even going to leave it for Bola Ahmed Tinubu, talk less of Semu Fubara, that he's going to sit tight there. What comes on. But you can see what is actually playing out. That Wike has virtually shut down everybody, all the major political stakeholders in Rivers State, including the Ohanese president, John Mbata. He has, taken sword on all of them, on almost on daily basis. Now he has been able to mobilize the state assembly to carry out that process, and the governor have come out to make it very clearly that if there's no immediate intervention from the presidency, that he will be forced to declare his presence and join the Biafra struggle.
Okay, with the way Wike is moving, can Fubara stop Wike?
Well, Fubara, of course, definitely.
He can stop
Wike is not a member of APC. Fubara is a member of APC, and the national structure of APC has actually recognized Fubara as the authentic 001 of Rivers State. So, but the fact that Wike should accept, it was people that made Wike who he is, But Wike is saying no, that they had an agreement. We don't know the kind of agreement that they had, that made him to take a certain position that Fubara must definitely go down, that he is the godfather of politics in Rivers State, and that is where the problem is. So we are watching the drama unfold, and you can see in this video what they are actually doing, So, but the build up, I heard that there's crisis in that government house now. There is massive struggle. The people are, trying to, define the moment and understand the position of the governor. But the governor has reinforced, and his loyalists has also reinforced, So it's like the federal government is actually going to declare, the military presence or police presence
for the second time.
Yes, I'm not talking about state of emergency. Yes, of course, maybe in that regard, maybe for the second time, to restore law and order. So Wike should also be ready to face the consequences, because if you listen clearly to what General Asabuja is saying, that the move that Wike made to Asari Dokubo and other leaders within that Rivers State shows that Wike is ready for attacks. To attack anybody or possibly assassination, and that if anything happens in Rivers State, that Wike should be held responsible. And if we get to a point where they cannot be able to do anything, they don't have any option than to declare Rivers State, of course, as we reported, a Biafran territory, and that will be the beginning of an uncontrollable crisis that will entirely engulf 2027 and of course bring Nigeria into total disintegration. There's no two ways about it. We understand the direction of that Wike is going. We know that he's a drowning man. He cannot be saved at this point. His anger is that Bola Ahmed Tinubu used him without him knowing and possibly dump him. But we can see that who is going to intervene at this point now? The president is not in the country, and who is going to take the mantle of leadership and trying to restore?
Is the president in control of Rivers State?
Of course, according to the constitution, the president is the leader of APC, national leader of APC, whether you like it or not. Wike is just a minister. under his administration, not even an APC. So the president is the leader, whatever he said. But the vice president made it very clear that there is no how Wike will become the leader of APC in Rivers State. It can never happen. The vice president Shetima said it. It can never happen. But you can see very clearly now that Wike has drawn the sword. And for the fact he has drawn the sword against the administration of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, yes, I will say so. Against the, he has drawn the sword already. Because if you are going against the national chairman of APC, you are equally going against the presidency. You are equally going against the vice president, and you are not a member of APC. So what is it actually you are looking for in that Rivers State? Somebody that is not a governor. You are talking about structure. Say you carry structure from your house come Rivers State. It is the question we need to ask Wike. Didn't you Wike to write on somebody's structure to become governor? What is the sin of Fubara? Why are you insisting that Fubara and Rivers State must go down? And thank God for Fubara. I pray that at this point in time, he turned to a proper beast. I pray that Fubara at this point in time will turn to a proper beast and do the unthinkable. And that is already
the unthinkable.
Yeah, the unthinkable is to declare Wike wanted as the governor of the state for breaching the peace and tranquility of Rivers State. This is a time to be man enough and to show total ruggedity. Enough of this embarrassment from one person. In as much as we are concerned at this point in time, don't be surprised that we are going to see mass uprising in Rivers State, and definitely they will likely declare Rivers State biafra territory, and that is how it is going to go. We know already.
With the militant wing of the militants in Rivers State, would they subscribe to Biafran ideology?
Who are they before? Are they different from us because of the South?
People like Asari Dokubo.
No, Asari Dokubo himself, is a complex figure. He's neither here or there. And remember during that visit, that nobody invited Wike. According to them, Wike came on his own, and that's what he knows how best to do. And when he coming, of course, we know that he will definitely grease the palm of Asari Dokubo. But the throne of Asari Dokubo is occupying today was handed over to him by the present governor of Rivers State, Fubara. He gave him that throne. It's not Wike that gave him that.
Any of them.
But because he is trying to maneuver and see how he will become relevant and negotiate from the resources of Rivers State ahead of 2027 to still be politically relevant. Apart from that now, but he's demanding 35% of all the resource revenue that comes from Rivers. And Fubara is saying no, it cannot be possible. I think to this point now, there's nothing like, gentlemen, let us breach that peace that Wike is looking for. No, let Fubara order for his immediate arrest.
In politics, agreement is agreement.
What is agreement? That somebody had a mandate and he was made governor. You connect, there was an infiltration. You wanted to catch a rat, you end up catching an elephant. That's what Kayamu was talking about. Now, Fubara has moved to APC. Why threatening him with impeachment again? They have commenced the impeachment process already, and I think at this point in time, he has been impeached. And what the man is saying is that this is not the time of joke, enough of this. And if the federal government do not intervene, he will declare Rivers State a biafra territory and get Wike arrested. And that's what the report is saying.
Okay, thank you very much.